we have come up with a new topic called estimating the sum. Children, we have already learned the method of rounding of numbers to the nearest tens and hundreds. Now we will estimate the sum of the given numbers to their nearest place and then find their sum. Okay? So question is, estimate each sum to the nearest tens, add and find the difference between estimated sum and actual sum. 72 plus 56. Children, look above. This is actual sum. Okay? I have written, and here I have written estimated sum. Children, as we told you that if number is more than 5 at the ones place, listen carefully. If number is more than 5 at the ones place, then one number increased at the tens place. But if less than 5, then there will be no change at the tens place. Okay? Write it like that. So here 2 at the ones place. So 2 is less than 5. So the number will not change at the tens place, and at the ones place will be 0. Okay? That is 72 is rounded up as 70. We will write here 72 is rounded off as 70. I have already written. Okay. Now next number is 56. Okay. So 6 is more than 5. At the ones place written 6. So 6 is more than 5. Then at the tens place we will increase one number. Okay. So it became 6. And at ones place we will put 0. 56 is rounded off. We will write here 56 is rounded up as 60. Now add it, both sum, actual sum and estimated sum. Okay? And see what is the difference between both sum. Clear? So 2 plus 6 is 8 and 7 plus 5 is 12. Answer has come 128. Now we will go to estimated sums. So here 70 plus 60. Now add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 6 is 13. Here the answer has come 130. So children, in this way you can see thus the difference between actual sum and estimated sum is 2. You can see estimated sum here written 130 and actual sum is 128. Okay, so the difference between actual sum and estimated sum is 2, right? Okay. Children, now we will learn how to round off these numbers to the nearest hundreds. So this question we have to see at the tens place because we have to round it up to the nearest 100 in the question. Okay, so we have to see at the tens place. If the number at the tens place is less than 5, if the number at the tens place is less than 5, then the number of hundreds place will not change. Okay? And if number at the tens place is more than 5, if number at the tens place is more than 5, the number at the hundredth place, the number at the hundredth place will be increased one number. Okay, and at the tens place and ones place will be 0. Okay children, let's see question. So here at the tens place written 2. 2 is less than 5. So at the hundredth place number will be not change. Okay, and at the tens place and ones place will be 0. Okay, so 226 is rounded off as 200. We will write here 226 is rounded off as 200. 200 I have already written. Okay, now next see here written 268. So at the tens place written 6. 6 is more than 5. So at the hundredth place one number will be increased. It became 3, not 2. Okay, and at the tens and ones place number will be 0. So 268 is rounded off as 300. We will write here 268 is rounded off as 300. Clear student? Let's add. Now go to actual sum. First add 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer has come 494. Now go to estimated sum. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Answer has come 500. Okay. So children, you can see here the difference between actual and estimated sum is 6. Right? We will write here answer. Thus, the difference between actual and estimated sum is 6. So children, all of you must have understood the estimated sum. So you can solve all the question in this way. Okay children? Thank you.